Welcome back to Star Wars Battles, guys. We got a giveaway here by B. It's a 77 Early Bird certificate package. And that's what you're battling for. So we're going to get to it and do it. We're going live as soon as I grab the list. There it is. There we are. We're live. 11:55. There's your time. Your list. 1 through 12. And your dice is a 9. Make sure I got this right. 12 spots. Here we go. We got the 9. Good luck, guys. Round 1. Matthew. 2, Josh. 3, Josh. 4, Josh Lipson. 5, Chris Hudson. 6, Wolfgang. 7 is Josh. 8, Matthew. Bringing us to the final round, guys. Because that's how we do it here. Big old Star Wars Battles. Good luck to everybody. 11:56. Your winner is Chris, line 11. Congratulations. Your verification code AUUXTD. Round 9, line 11. That's going to do it, guys. Done. 11:57. Back. Turn the clock. And again, guys, as always, till next time, battle on.